Hello friends, let's discuss an important chapter in operation research, that is transportation model. In transportation model, to solve the transportation issues, mainly in context to the minimizing the cost of transportation of raw material or any of the product from the source to the sink, from the production center to the demand centers. Different type of the models are there. One of the important model is northwest corner model. In northwest corner models means you have to choose that particular cell in the matrix that has been generated through demand and supply from the production center to the warehouse. If there is a matrix, you choose the allocation of the resources from the northwest cell. You just imagine that the cell, just like you imagine Indian map, and Indian map there is the Punjab. You have to choose in that way. If you bifurcate the matrix from north to west, west to south, south to east, then you have to allocate the cell which is present northwest region of the matrix. You have to give the first priority in allocation of the resources. Though we have given the first priority to the northwest cell, that's why the particular model is called as northwest corner model. To solve the northwest corner models, there are some rules. The rules is that select the northwest corner already highlighted left upper part of the transportation table and allocate as many units as possible. Second step, adjust the supply and demand in respective rows and column. How you can adjust that? Then you go for the step 3. If the supply of the first row is adjusted, then move down to the first cell in the second row and then go to the step 2. If the demand for the first column is satisfied, then move horizontally, so the next cell of second column of the first row and go to the step 2. If for any cell supply is equal to the demand, then allocation be done according to your choice, and you have to move either in the next row or next column. In the last step, continue the procedures till the demand and supply will be satisfied. This is the procedures. I just highlight all of you that you note down the procedures in your notebook. Then when I will explain the problems or the tables, how to solve the tables through northwest corner models, then it is easier for you. One important thing is that numbers of times question comes, if northwest corner models are there to solve the issues of the transportation model, then other models just like lower cost transportation model, Vogel's approximations models, why such type of models come into picture? Because northwest corner models allocate the resources on the basis of the demand and supply. It has no rules. It has no rules or roles in context to the cost identification. Numbers of times the cost may be higher or lower one, but you have to just allocate the resources on the basis of the demand and supply, and that also in the northwest cell first. That is the limitation of the transportation model. How you can solve the transportation model? I just refer to my next slide. Dear students, let's see, there are plants which supply the product and there is the warehouses that will accept the products. Plants are is the line of supply and warehouse are in the demand of the supply or accept the demand. In this condition, there are 3 plants, P1, P2 and P3, and there are 3 demand sources, that is warehouse 1, warehouse 2 and warehouse 3. As I have already highlighted that you have to allocate the resources in the northwest corner. Where is the northwest corner? This is the northwest corner. If it is the north, if it is the west, the first cell equal to 7 per unit cost, that is the northwest corner. Then you have to allocate the resources. You just see that the supply is 20, demand is 21, then maximum supply you have to put in the particular zone, that is 20. You have not applied more than 20 units in the particular cell, and that 20 unit will come from this region, and that region equal to, so you have to reduce 20 from the particular cell, then it is 0. And once 20 units has been satisfied, then in the particular warehouse there are 20 units has been satisfied, then I have just minus it 20. Then the rest is what is rest will be, that equal to 1, that is unsatisfied demand. Once the particular cell or the plant has been 0, or you can say that the supply from the particular plant 1 has been fulfilled, or make it 0, then you have to delete it. You just delete it. Then you find the next northwest corner. Next northwest corner is 5, and to satisfy the particular cell, there are only 1 demand are there and 20 supply are there. So maximum unit you have to put here, that is 1 maximum unit, and that unit comes from, if 1 unit has been given to the particular cell, then you just minus 1, because already whatever the demand is, it is fulfilled. And on rest, what are the next supply that has not already in the by the plant P2, that is minus 1, that is 27. It means plant P2 has 27 units supply till exist, but the satisfied the you can say that P21 or the pipe or the particular cell has been fulfilled. So demand of the particular cell will be fulfilled and warehouse 1 has been satisfied. That's why this particular cell you have to delete it. Then northwest corner, that is 7, and to satisfy the 7 there are 27 units supply and 25 units demand. So maximum demand you have to fulfill in the particular zone, that is 25. Okay, once it will be 25, that 25 unit you have to deduct from it. Then rest is 0. Then similarly here supply also be reduced down to 25 units supply will be reduced down. Then rest is 2 units already there by the plant P2, 2 units. Once it will be fulfilled 25 units, you just might delete it, because warehouse 2 demand has been fulfilled or satisfied. Then northwest is this particular cell, but to fulfill the particular cell, or you can say that P23, the particular cell, you have 2 units of the supply and 19 unit of the demand. So maximum you have to supply 2 unit, and once it will be supplied 2 units, then you have to minus it from it. Then fulfill 0. Then this is also be minused, because 2 units of the demand has been fulfilled. Then it is 17. Once the particular cell equal to 0, then you have to delete it. Then northwest cell is 8, and 8 in both the cases 17 units supply are there, 70 unit demand are there, so you have to put 17 in here. Once it will be 17 unit has been given to the particular cell, then you have to minus it, 17 equal to 0. And similarly 17 unit demand also be fulfilled, 17 unit, that equal to 0. In this way you have to know that what should be the total cost. The total cost is 7 into 20, just I round it, 7 into 20, 5 into 1, then 25 into 7, okay, then 3 into 2, Okay, I round it. 3 into 2. Another is 17 into 8. Then in total, that is 462 is the total cost to transport the product from the 3 plants P1, P2, P3 to warehouse 1, warehouse 2 and warehouse 3. This is the, you can say that, northwest corner model to solve the transportation cost, but whether it is the minimized one or the optimized one, for that sake you have to connect with the other videos in the particular transportation model series. Thank you all.